Hello, boys and girls. Thanks for tuning in to part 3 of Fudgemania activities. Today we are going to be doing green gurgling gas. So as you guys remember in the story Fudgemania, Peter is trying to come up with a story to tell Jimmy so that it makes it seem like Sheila and Peter weren't living in the same house this whole time. So Peter comes up with this story where he says that the toilets were filled with green gurgling gas. And that's what we're gonna be doing today. So here is my end product of the green gurgling gas. As you can see, my little toilet is all messed up already. But if you guys are interested in watching green gurgling gas, it is a baking powder and vinegar reaction video. If you guys are interested in watching, then let's go. My toilet fell. First off, you're going to want to make sure that you're either outside where things are fine to get a little messy, you can just hose it down, or you can use, if you have to do it inside, that is fine. Just make sure that you're covering all of your bases. So I'm using this old cardboard box or a cardboard tray, and then I have a plastic wrap on the bottom so that it's easier to clean up, making sure that if it does leak, it doesn't get all over my desk and whatnot. Make sure that you're in a space where it's okay to get a little bit messy, or have things prepared so that it's easier to clean up. So make sure that your surface is nice and clear. You're going to need a cup. So here's mine. I made mine to look like a toilet just so that it's like the story. You're going to need some baking powder. You're going to need dish soap, not too much, so don't worry, Mom and Dad, we're not going to be using too much. And vinegar, okay? You're also going to need green food coloring, but if you don't have green food coloring and if you have washable paint, you can use green washable paint. Make sure that it's washable. The other supplies that you're going to need are measuring cups. You're going to need a half cup as well as a 1 full cup, and then you're going to need some measuring spoons, so a tablespoon and a teaspoon. So make sure you have those available. Okay, as you can see, I spilled already. The first step that you want to do is fill your cup with your base ingredients. So the base ingredients include 1/2 cup of water, and then you're gonna grab your teaspoon and do 1 teaspoon of dish soap. Swish that around so that all the dish soap gets in there. I'm already making a mess. Okay, now you're going to want to take your tablespoon and scoop out 3 tablespoons of baking powder. Since I have a smaller cup, I think I'm just going to leave it at 2. And then you're going to want to mix that up. And as you can see, it's already bubbling up. And then you're going to want to add your food coloring. So I got green. I just added 5 drops. Time for the fun part. So I'm going to take 1/2 cup of vinegar. I'm going to pour it into my mixture. And there is my green gurgling gas. So imagine this is what was going through Peter's head during Fudgemania when he was trying to come up with a story to tell Jimmy about green gurgling gas coming out of his toilet. Cool, huh? This one was fun. I hope you guys had fun. All right, I hope you guys had a lot of fun making that green gurgling gas coming out of your toilet. not your actual toilet, the toilet that we made, just to make it clear. But I hope that you guys had fun, and I'll see you guys for the next video. Bye!